All right, welcome to Sunnyside Certified. This is Tiger,
This is Simon.
and we are laying out our cars today. This is most of the loose cars that we got, or I wouldn't say loose, but carded, the one that's still in the package. You got.
Some that we traded.
So let's go through them real quick. 55th anniversaries.
4 GTs.
Yep. 4 GTs, Lotuses, Corvettes,
4 GT40s.
Toyotas, Porsches,
EFs.
Nissan, Hondas, some 3-packs back there, 20-pack, 8-pack, some Kroger exclusives, Lamborghini, some Tune stuff.
A Mighty King.
Oh yeah.
With
So while we were sorting some of this stuff out, we noticed there's an error. Doesn't have the tampos on there. Some twin mill. Now get into the Matchbox stuff.
a whole bunch of Matchbox.
Yep.
And that SpaceX one.
Yeah, the SpaceX is pretty neat. And we got a couple of red edition Matchbox there. So let's see. We also got the Datsun Run and Run, some 2-packs, and the Skyline. As far as the carded, it's still, well, what we're doing, we had a peg project, which I still have 3 boards left that I bought for $8 each.
That's pretty good.
And we still got this collection
The Fiat.
that we bought from LJ.
The Fiat's down here.
That's still, not sure if so we need more pegs for sure. And I'm gonna need some more protectors for some of these, because I want to get some protectors on these guys.
Maybe we will do an interview on some of these. And this bin that are loose.
Yeah, so this is what y'all been seeing where we filmed a few videos. A bunch
Every
of our
now
loose
and then.
cars here. And this is Simon's display box here.
Yes, we do got a Sriracha car.
Yeah, I picked that up the other day.
He wants to, will open it.
Yeah, so these are the ones that will eventually open at some point. Or he may just display them. However, whatever he wants to do it is, but this is more of just the ones we're going to play with. And now
Pegboard.
we have pegboards.
With LED lights.
This is wasn't too bad in putting up the actual pegboard. Pegging them is a totally different story.
It took like a
Trying to sort it out
little day and a little bit of night.
and getting the hooks on, trying to, figure, because I couldn't just lay all this stuff out
There's the remote.
and try to
For the
categorize them.
LEDs.
Oh
For
yeah,
the
that's the remote
LEDs.
for the LEDs.
I can change the color to just whatever you want. Fade.
But as you can see, when you try to put on these hooks, you pretty much have to unload the one above it to get enough angle to get them hooked. But let's go through some of what we got.
I really like this RX-7, and there's a Sylvia behind there.
Yeah, so this is my older collection that I got.
Yeah, we got a couple more that we might do an
We
interview.
got a Sylvia.
We could do a interview on some. We'll do like a loose car one. He has some loose cars that he
Got it.
collected.
Yep, GS300 or GS430, my bad.
And we can look at those
So
in
these
another
were
interview.
2004, it's saying. Right there. Yep. Hot import nights.
Oh, yeah. The
So,
S13.
okay, so we're gonna go from, I'm up here right now, so we'll make our way down there in a minute.
What?
Let's go through the pegs.
Peggy's.
Fast and Furious set.
I know you found it at
It's hard to keep track of. I think this one was complete. I think this one was complete too. This one was complete also. We bought this from the LJ's collection. If you, we got a video on that.
We actually got
So we
two
got some
videos on that.
5-pack.
We have
Yeah,
to
there's
make
so
a
much. I
part
had
2.
2 videos on it. Fast and Furious, Nissan, Night Burners.
Porsche,
Got the
RWB.
RWB up here.
The
Mini GTs.
Supercharger Hunts.
Hold on, I'm still back here, son. Corvette, some moving parts, Porsche. Z hanging out back there.
More Z's. We'll get to the more
Evo.
other
2000 GT, LFA, S2000. Got some Johnny Lightnings. There's a EK back there.
things. There's a
And a
R33.
Honda Accord.
got a R33 under all that stuff.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Others.
Forza. Let's see. Yep, so we got quite a bit here. And like I said, it's quite a bit of a chore to get all of these pegged up. So I also got these protectors recently. So I got to figure out which ones I want to peg up. We got a couple Ultra Reds.
Down below the Fast and Furious stuff. That is Hot Wheels, the Hot Wheels, Fast and Furious. Gotta
Yeah, so as much as I want to categorize every little thing, at some point I just kind of threw them up there. We got the whole Matchbox Muscle.
Once we get into this area, something that you won't expect, so that is a Liberty Walk.
Yeah, our friend Uncle Sop, he gave us this Skyline.
The Liberty Walk Silhouette GTRs,
We
2
got
packs.
a blue one,
Those are
white
good.
one. Got Porsche. There's a majorette. We didn't get to complete this Porsche set. They've been flying off the shelves. Got that Legends winner. Got this nice Porsche. I decided to put a case on it. Ferrari F50. We have a bunch of these first editions that this Brad was gifting. He wanted to gift a child something. And we got all these first editions. We got another Ferrari sitting back there. We got a toilet.
Got a whole box of them.
So we got these hot wagons that just came out. And the Datsun and the Nova has been flying off the shelves. But we got some more first editions over here too.
Yep.
But, and Collectible Craze gave us this one, Tennessee Titans Mustang,
Along with some
Rookie
others.
Edition.
Along with some others that you'll see.
Uncle Wally gave us this at least 30-year-old, probably maybe close to 40-year-old
It's like 40.
300ZX. The doors open up on
40
them.
plus.
Here's a Ferrari. We got the Facebook Marketplace. We got a white Z, Proto Z, red, blue in the back there. I just kind of threw some of these premiums up here. Got Grand National,
Volvo.
Mercedes, Volvo, and the M3 sitting back there. We got a McLaren line up here. Got the Golf, the black one.
Another McLaren F1.
Yep, McLaren F1. Yeah. So it's looking pretty. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But as you can see in the earlier in this video, I mean, I still got a bunch of loose ones. Supras, got the Tune.
Team Charger. Fast and Furious R3.
Got some Team Transport here.
2-pack.
Yep, 2-pack. Skyline, HKS.
Fair Lady.
Got this complete set of Team Transport.
The Liberty Walk.
The extra one. We got the Boulevard set.
The whole set. Above that
Got
is
the
some
off-road set with the Chase.
that was worth buying.
Yep, we got a Skyline back here. The Datsun, an Evo,
What you
Benz, and a Holden back
I
there.
think that's an Evo 10.
That one? No, that's a Evo 6. But Modern Classic. I just put the spoon up front because that's my favorite. Got this, I think it's a pop culture set.
I don't know actually. It's a Skyline van.
Yep. Got some the Compact Kings here. With the Proton Saga back there. Got the Halloween, 2023 Halloween edition. Tootsie Roll. The Odyssey's kind of by itself right now, but
Yeah, we have some other ones.
Rambo, NSX,
510.
510. This is one of my, from my older collection. But we really didn't start collecting up until October of 2023. But I've always
Old Civic.
bought cars throughout the year, especially the ones I like, and especially Hondas,
Oh yeah.
just like this one.
Our Uncle Vet gave us that EK9 up there.
Oh yeah, this AK9 Simon got for Christmas. But we got S1000 lineup here. Got the EFs, which is CRX and the Civic hatchback.
Get even more.
You got an Otis EF back there.
You need the ladder to reach all the way up there.
Yeah, got Ultra Hot S14 hanging out
Oh, you didn't tell me you
with the
found.
Civics.
You didn't tell me you found
There's some
that
NS.
S14.
Yeah, it was in one of the videos. Remember I showed you before? You might have forgot.
I forgot.
I got NSX. Got some more Ultra Hots. It's the Porsche and Datsun. Got some
Maybe I
Neon
wasn't
Speeder EK9. Got this complete set. 55th anniversary Integra and Twin Mill, or the Twin Mill. I think there's a C10.
The Tune Treasure Hunt.
We got the RLC Integra.
Morning
Got a
Green.
Teen Integra. Picked up that green one from Collectible Craze the other day. We got a bunch of Porsche over here on this pig.
The DLC.
Hey, I'm kind of running out of breath because I'm reaching up, but you got the mail-in Bronco R along with the Zamax and mainline.
Do you want this? Can I have it?
So we also have Super Treasure Hunt 510 with the main line in the back.
Super Treasure Hunt.
Renault Super Treasure Hunt.
Buddy
Shout out
found
to Anderson for helping me find my first one on this one. And we got some treasure hunts along with the main line. Got a Gas Monkey Super with a Zamac main line. Got the Ram Treasure Hunt, the main line, and then another treasure hunt, and another main line.
That's like the treasure hunt main line of it.
And then the Donut Drifter Treasure Hunt, along with the main line.
There's a different main line color too.
Yep. Got the Volkswagen Golf. Then another treasure hunt on this teal one.
That is a tuned.
Got a Silverado hanging out back there.
That is a tuned
Another
treasure hunt.
treasure hunt with the dots bug in the back and the main line. And one of the newer ones, the classic bug back there. And that's looking pretty good, I think. And I still have to buy more pegs. You see, we still have some spots open.
We got 3 more
I still got to
boards.
figure out what else I want to peg up. So
Yeah.
we got the Hot Wheel sign. Shout out to Uncle Sop for that. And just may get rearranged, but who knows? I mean, it is, like I said, it takes quite a bit of work just to get it to this point. So hope y'all enjoy.